everybody, Sharon here. Let me get my table up here. Alright, it's been a while. Yes, it has. So you should have had plenty of time to get the first part of the page done. This part. I've had some health issues, and I haven't been able to do this. And don't worry, I have not had COVID. Just other serious health issues. Not out of the woods yet, but I'm on the mend, hopefully. So this page, so here we have page one, or page one of the insert, and then it's going to flip out like, turn over like that. And so this, this is like 6 1/4. And so when you cut your pattern paper or whatever, you can do a 6 by 6. So, but if this is your album, and if you follow me, great. If not, do your own measurements. And I had this. I have to do a little bit of trimming apparently, because I had it that way and it needs to go this way. Always need to make sure directional. Okay, so I need to come in and trim, just looks about 1/8 of an inch. I'm getting focus here, so I'm just going to mark it right where I need to cut it. I was hoping to have all the cutting done, but apparently not. Okay, make sure I'm lining it up right. Okay. Which means the other side will probably need to be trimmed as well. Okay, so I need to go over this part, because I don't know if you can see that. There's kind of a ridge here, and so I like to flatten that ridge. Yeah, makes it nice. Okay, so directional. Okay, so I'm going to glue this right here. And here is my art glitter glue. Love that stuff. Okay. And I just, this side is going to almost the whole thing. If you don't want it as far as me, or you want to take it further, do it. It's your book. You make the rules. Okay. And then the other side. Oh, it is good. So it will open up like this, and then open like that. And I just scored this side 1/2 inch, this side about 3/4 of an inch. A 1/2 inch would have been done, but I was using leftover scraps. So, yep. Okay, so I am going to now glue this down. And in these interactive photo albums, I do prefer the wet glue. And then I will put a magnet right here. Okay, let's see. Where are my magnets? Okay. I have here some magnets, and let's put, oh, it's sticking to the other side. Well, that'll just be extra strong then, right? Okay. Get back on there. Tape that up. Now, I am going to want to put probably 1 or 2 more magnets on here. And because with the pattern paper and then a picture on top of it, you want that to be a good hold. I hope that makes sense. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to sticky side up and drop it. And try not to stick yourself. Okay, so that still, I'm wondering if I should put another one, because it's good, but I'll have to see. I'll have to see, I'll put the paper on here, and if it's just not strong, then I'll put another one. Okay, so insert 1 is done. Ready for pattern paper. So, and then, so here we have beginning. This does not include the outside cover. So insert, it will turn this way. And then for this one right here, okay, so I pre-cut everything. Okay, and also on this, I did 1/8 of an inch in between here and here, and that was because I am putting this right here, and I want to allow for extra photos and stuff. Okay, so put that off to the side. Put this. Okay. Now, as far as measuring and everything, you saw how I did. I just kind of marked it. Okay. Alright, so that's that. And then I did the same thing out in this one, 1/8 of an inch. So score it 1/2 inch, 1/8 of an inch, and then however big you want this. And however big I made this is the size I wanted it. I was using my leftover scraps. I suggest using scraps. So alright. And I'm just going to center this. Okay, I'm just going to eyeball it. Okay. See, and then open like this will be the top, and it'll open, and then open. And this thing right here, move that so you can see it better. Okay, I cut this at 3 1/4 inch, just so smaller photos or whatever. And I kind of did a trifold. It was the 11 side, and I just trimmed a little bit off, 1/2 inch, and I cut it 3 3/4 inch. And then I did a score at 3 1/2, and then at The next interval would be 3 and, well, you see it right there, 3.5 and plus 1/8 of an inch, just so it is not going into there. Because if that's long or to the edge, then it's, if you put a picture on there, it's not going to work. So just whatever you want to put, so it's less than that. Okay, and then I took a little scrap piece of paper and I did it at this right here. I did 1/8 of an inch in here, 1/2 inch, and the little, I guess a little over an inch, but I mean 1/2 inch. But I just wanted to make sure that there was that 1/8 inch space in here, and I just glued it on there. So I will put a magnet right there, or maybe I won't. I don't think I did on the other one. Okay, and then this one is going to go right here, just like that. So I will glue that. Okay, I'm going to turn this upside down so I can see it. I'm just going to eyeball it. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to put a thing because that will be good right there. Let's get some magnets. And right here looks like a good one. Oh, you know what? Let me put it on the inside. So it'll have less to go over. I hope that makes sense. Okay. 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 See? Now after I put my pattern paper on this one and I put it on the outside, I'll determine if it will still close. If it doesn't have a good thing like that, then I'll put another magnet on the outside just to give it that strength. I just wanted to make a quick little video. This is part 2, and I will, part 3, I will get the other pages done, and then probably part 4, the outside cover. That's my plan anyway, but I've learned things don't always go as planned. Alright, so thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button. Leave a nice comment. And yeah, happy crafting, everybody. Later.